Its face. Oh, very. Oh, the face. Oh. Amo di ay? Hip hip. Hore. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hore. Yay!
Marlon Manos, since nga mo gamitan mo sa gakit, nalang ni mga pahimangno o ginadili nga angay i-apply aron dili mapinaltihan si nagparis pa mo sakay sa motor bangka paingon sa gakit. Lahi-lahi tag-iya ang gakit, libre ang life vest, bus man og boat operator nga mag-monitor kada gakit. Sila ang iyong maduolan or matawag.
Don't be afraid. When you afraid, mao ka na ang Capas Island, Papaya Island. The water is so clear, very clear as crystal. Some visitors from Turkey. Yes, you see him. And these are our fruits. And bibingka, oh bibingka, and also bread, assorted breeds, any kind of breeds, and also our beautiful ladies around the world. Here is oh, very industrious. This beautiful lady here. Oh, it's so nice here. Oh, you see, you look. Also from Mexico, this guy. From Turkey, you say it's Turkey. Oh, this is from India. Yes, from India with the dogs. Yes. And also this guy is from India also. Oh, are you from China? Oh no! Oh, so very clear and as crystal water here. We are in the floating cottage. Oh, this is amazing view and scene. Oh? Okay.
Nahusok na wala din isda.
Nang contest bread eating, and then afterwards they will executing about the whistle. Muting mo kuan mo. Okay, ipadol. Unsay ngalan nimo?
That's it.
Okay, next.
Darling.
Kiljun.
Okay.
Isaac.
Okay.
Kring.
Okay.
Kring.
Okay.
Cassandra.
Gloria!
Okay. Ready?
Gloria and friends.
Sige, ready?
Pag go ha, pag ulang ha. One, two, three. Go! Dapat mo tihol.
Amo na man. Rigumanog matulo na niya single dayon bisa.
Dili. Yan.
Gusto ko may ganito lang si.
Okay. Okay. Wala. Okay.
Wala na si Kring. Kagaling. Wow.